It's amazing to me, but right here in King County, there are over 237,000 residents who are currently renting but can afford to purchase a home. They're qualified to buy a home, so why wouldn't they? Some people think the housing market isn't stable, but home prices in your area in King County are forecasted to appreciate by 5.7% over the next year and 28.6% over the next 5 years. You know what that means in dollars and cents? If you purchased a home at the median price of $628,000, you would gain $180,000. This is a very strong market. However, here's the biggest misconception. In a national survey, the number one reason why people are still renting, even though they are qualified to purchase a home, is because they think they need 20% down. It's hard to believe that people still think they need 20% down. That couldn't be further from the truth. You can purchase a home with as little as 5% or even 3% down based upon the programs that are available. Please feel free to contact me, James Graff, and I'll show you how you can create wealth for yourself through real estate. Thank you for listening thus far, and I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks again.